Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face and the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You have access only to time and what was it? Date, I believe. Date and the battery level. And if you want to exit the power saving mode, you need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face, basically, like this. You can also do this through the settings. So if you open the settings by pressing the side button, scrolling down and finding the settings icon and then tapping on it. In settings you can find the option called battery level and tap on it. And here we have this button, enter power saving mode, and you can tap on it, tap on the check mark, and it will turn on basically. And to turn it off again, you need to press and hold the side button, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.